it's very essential for our viewers to differentiate between three industries in 3D printing, which have totally different application model. We have the metal 3D printing, we have the plastic 3D printing, and we have, which is a bit similar, but we have a totally different ball game, which is the concrete 3D printing. As far as you see, we're exploring now 2 out of these 3 heavily, and we have already pilot projects that we are deploying these technologies. As far as plastic first, we have signed a strategic partnership with Iman Salah, brilliant startup in Dubai with brilliant engineers, and we have done 2 major pilots in UAE. One, molds for constructions, which succeeded to print molds for construction, and another
so this
one
is for pouring concrete. This is the mold.
Exactly. So instead of printing the concrete itself, you print the formwork or the mold, so you can reuse it. It was a cycle of 3-4 months trial and error until we succeeded. And another one, exactly what you touch on, is probably falls under additive, what's called additive manufacturing or digital inventory. What we've done is in our plant machine vehicle yard in Abu Dhabi, we took many spare parts of our construction fleet, and we reverse engineered that spare parts, we printed them back, and we installed them. Now, as we speak, we have 6 spare parts who are installed on 6 construction machine operating as usual. And some of them even exceeded the traditional, and some of them even cheaper.
So it's not just the construction of the finished structure, it's also
the
equipment.
That's one ball game, what we do.
Yeah.
The other ball game, what we're doing is that basically, given that we're in Dubai now, it's worth mentioning that the main motive behind us getting into 3D printing for concrete is to align ourselves with Dubai leadership vision for 3D printing concrete. We know that next year, all contractors are asked to use 2% of the buildings to be 3D printed, and it will increase 2% until it becomes 25 by 2030, I guess. So it's very essential for us to have, we have committed to align ourselves with this vision, and now we are doing pilots in different areas in the region for 3D printing, collaborating with startup. One is taking place soon in Zahia, a mall with Futtaim in Sharjah, and another major project we have now. I cannot announce the detail because the client will announce it soon. It's a major construction. It's going to be one of the biggest in the region and the world when it comes to 3D printing concrete. It's going to be in the region also, as we're committed to do it in the Arab world, with most of the time startups from the region.